Yo, so hi again. I'm Boss Set and welcome to my YouTube channel. And for this video, I'm going to unbox a Funko Pop. But let's have a look with my intro, welcoming intro. Yeah, so I'm going to English. So just waiting. Okay. Boss Set, Boss Set, Boss Set. So that is my welcoming intro. Then let's come back to my unboxing. Yeah, this one is a Funko Pop Pop Movies Men in Black m.i.b number 717 Edgar. Okay, with this line there is Agent J. Yeah, over there, and then Agent K and Nibble. Okay? The one who always say, "Copy, copy, copy." In Tagalog, "Kape, kape, kape." So, I'm speaking English. Just waiting. So, let's have a look. Okay? So, some collector open this downside so that there will be no stain. Yeah? Yeah, this one. Stain or flap or flip. Yeah, stain. Yeah, then open. Then you are just like a doctor who waiting for a newborn child. Yeah. Up, up. Come on, mommy, you can do it. Up, up. Okay. So, so this is your child, Edgar. Yeah. Look the, if I'm not mistaken, the mealworm over there. You see? Yeah, here. The teeth, the eyes, the hair. Very nice. Good. I bought this one a second hand. If I'm not mistaken, identity. Worth 200 or 250 pesos. Yeah, not bad. Then I'm looking forward to have these two. Yeah, this agent J and K, because m.i.b is agent A, B, until agent Z. Yeah. Sorry for distraction because my store is still opening. Yeah, because my store is almost a 24 hours open. Yeah, so again, here is a real quick unboxing of Funko Pop m.i.b Edgar. Yeah, very nice. So since we unbox, let's do again a rebox. Yeah, don't forget to rebox a Funko Pop. Yeah. So don't forget the positioning of the mother and this child. Yeah. Make it a bigger so that the child or the pop is go inside fluently. Yeah. Just waiting. Yeah. So here, over there. Yeah. Okay. So again, thank you for watching until here, and just a shout out to Joshua, Ian, Charles Anthony, Yo, and Dochi. Yeah. Then Eric, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channeling so that I can celebrate my 200 subscription. So goodbye. Thank you.